The following is scheduled for one fall. Making her way to the ring, Mandy Rose, Gigi, Dolin, and Jacy, Jayne. Toxic Attraction.
A matchup like this, it's one that the locker room has wanted to see. It's one that the WWE Universe has wanted to see. It's one that I've been waiting to see, and it's about to go down.
The bad blood she has for her opposition here tonight also shouldn't be overlooked.
Well, all you have to do is take one look at her face to realize this isn't your regular matchup. There's clearly plenty of ill feelings when it comes to these women.
And Tegan, Shotzi, and
A group set on dominance here in WWE. Every brand, every division, they planned on standing atop each one.
And a huge opportunity ahead for this superstar here tonight, but also a huge risk.
You could say that again. Getting a W over a champion is a good way to raise your stock in a hurry. But taking the loss, well... Single leg takedown. We could be looking for the single leg Boston Crab.
Oh, look at this. Boston Crab.
Trying to break the submission, and she does. Oh, man.
Punch right to the face.
First for the waistlock takedown.
Oh my goodness! Kick to the spine. And that definitely made solid impact.
That was just wrong. You should be a better person than that.
Right to the spine. She adjusts it and reverses it. Crashing down hard.
Fujiwara armbar.
Fujiwara armbar applied.
Hard to grab or apply a proper hold after a move like that.
Sharp punch.
Brutal stomp to the body. And just getting started. Look at this brutality.
This is how you torture your opponent.
Oh my God, this is hard to watch.
And that was a successful bit of offense with that maneuver. Shotzi's mind didn't look to be in the game there.
Yeah, Jayne was definitely hoping to make a major statement there.
Oh man, by the hair. Hair whip.
I'll just leave it at this. Nobody comes into a match hoping to get chucked around like that.
Turned that one around. Cover, cover. No, the kick out.
Not getting a 2 count at this point has to be frustrating.
Escapes in a nick of time. Oh, what are they doing here? All the way. Uh-oh, arms are trapped, no way to protect themselves.
Oh, stop after stop after stop, jeez.
That was a showing of control and a...
Arm is grapevine. Try to step through. Here it comes. Oh, really target back on the knee. And she's able to roll back on her spine and get out of it. Oh, that backfired on her.
Letting her opponent know she is ready for anything.
Drop kick. Right on the money. And we might be about to go from commentators to participants in this one, fellas.
Being contorted doesn't look good. Salida del Sol.
That's gotta be it. 2. Digging deep for a kick out.
She just dug down deep there, but I don't know if she'll be able to do it again.
What more can this superstar do? Reaching deep into the arsenal. This could end the entire match.
From the top floor.
Superplex.
She's getting fired up. Great.
Gigi Dolin.
What is she looking for here? Oh, my. That Gigi.
Into the cover. She gets the shoulder up.
Really had less than a second to stay alive there.
Oh, man. What a nasty STO.
First on the shoulders.
She's got the shoulders down. Kick out. You are not. And now we see Jayne. Side Russian leg sweep, takedown, and rapid fire rights over and over. Single leg takedown.
It is cinched in, it is deep. Trying to break the submission, and she does.
Choke slam. We got it covered. Oh, that was close.
This match continues.
She might be in some trouble now.
Oh, my goodness.
Ah, what a smash.
It's just insulting. Ooh, bullseye.
Looking for the suplex all the way up. Look at this power. Oh, no.
From behind. Chocolate.
And meanwhile, Jayne.
Will that do it for Jacy? Will that do it?
Oh, running Hurricane Rana. Oh, jawbreaker. Call the dentist.
Dolin letting those in attendance know exactly what she thinks of them.
Shotzi kindly requests that you never wake up. Shotzi just might have finished things for the win. 2 count.
Gigi Dolin has her opponent up. Packed crowd on their toes. This is what it...
That'll be a win. What a hard-fought victory.
Here are your winners, Mandy Rose, Jacy Jayne, and Gigi Dolin. Toxic Attraction.
That's a big victory for these 3 here tonight.
It's always great to visit the pay window, but a victory like this makes the winner's purse all that much sweeter.